You may have heard me talk about human convergence, that which occurs when we harmonize our creative and materializing energies. In this video, I will show you an effective exercise to harmonize mind and heart. Happy present moment and welcome to JeanetteTV. I am your hostess, Jeanette Salvatierra. About 13 years ago, in what I usually call a past life, I always find myself giving priority to what I thought I were. My main responsibilities, my career, which gave me financial stability, recognition, and a sense of intellectual achievements. My social relationships that were a source of business and also a great form of recreation. My family, parents, husband, children, who I love deeply, and I feel that they must be always in front of mine. And so a long list of responsibilities. My employees, subordinates, the community, my country, and at last, back in the list, there I was. At that time, I didn't understand much. What I thought all those responsibilities were more important than me, and if I attended them, I was taking care of myself, of my happiness. Well, no, ladies and gentlemen, it turns out that I am not the professional titles, my family, community, or organization that I work for. Much less, I am not the achievement that I obtain. In my current life, as a mentor and a coach and consultant, I have found that many people, especially many women, live as I did. And that, in addition to be a mistake, because you neglect your physical and emotional needs, and of course you are neglecting your intuitive abilities. All of this causes a lot of frustration, physical stress, diseases, and discomfort in general. And now that I understood that, especially that as human beings, we must first beings and then we get human results. It is even natural and justify that one feels bad or incomplete if we only deal with some part of ourselves and not with the whole. This excessive focus on the material, external and visible, is the result of the social conditioning that is basically a habit, a product of the model, the lifestyle, where priority is given to the energy of doing, of achieving, conquering, obtaining. That is the masculine energy. And then it's natural that because we are all used to do that, we used to give priority, and this is of course men and women as well, because we live in a patriarchal society dominated by the male success paradigm. However, we right now are in an historical moment where they created intuitive, emotional energy of being. I mean, the feminine energy is making itself heard to show us that we can exist in a happier way, even more successful, if we harmonize the masculine energy of doing with the feminine energy of being. And of course, we need to be careful, because this is not implying that we need to, or we are going to move from a society dominated by men to one dominated by women. The beauty of this paradigm shift is that the new model recognizes that both energies have positive things to contribute, and that those energies must be harmonized, allowing them to cooperate so they can co-create a more inclusive reality, loving, happier, and also economically viable, and that allows each person to reach their maximum potential as human beings. Now, that sounds nice, Jeanette, but how is this accomplished? Well, every change in the material world starts with a change in your spiritual world. I mean, a change outside always starts with a change inside of you. That's why we are seeing more and more frequently people taking care of their spirituality. This is because we instinctively know that the changes are achieved being yourself the change. As Master Gandhi said very well, be the change that you want to see in the world. To help you in your internal change, I suggest you need to work in harmonizing the energies of the genera that already exist inside of you. Regardless of your physical or biological gender, male energy and female energy are there and must be harmonized. Male energy is associated with rationality, while the feminine energy is associated with the emotions and intuition. For millennia, humanity has identified in the human body the brain as the place of rationality, and therefore the place for the masculine energy, while the heart is associated with emotions and with the intuitive realm. Well, the heart therefore is associated with the feminine energy. Today, science has shown what we ancestrally know, that both the brain and the heart have communication mechanisms that communicate each other. And this makes, of course, possible for us to harmonize their frequencies, that is, to put both to vibrate in harmonic form. And when we achieve that, well, we access to new possibilities for creation and the manifestation of what our being came to do in this plane. In other words, we reach higher levels of happiness and well-being as we progress towards our goals related to love, money, health, social well-being, and the preservation of the life in the planet. Now, let's move on to our exercise. However, I must tell you before, if you haven't already, to subscribe to this channel, to activate the notifications so you can be among the first ones to find out when we publish new content. Plus, please leave your comments. What do you think about this topic? What other personal growth issues do you want us, or are you interested in watching in this channel? Please share this video with your friends, and if you like it, give us a little thumb up and support us to get to more and more people with this content. For this harmonization exercise of mind and heart, it's very important that you locate yourself in a place where you feel safe, a place that inspires you tranquility, where you can close your eyes and bring your attention inside you. If you can listen to this audio with headphones, much better. That will facilitate or ease the concentration, at least the first few times that you do this exercise. The idea is to feel your body, your heartbeat, and that can be a little bit difficult at first, especially if you are very tired, anxious, or worried. And of course, if you get distracted. We will start by playing a suitable musical background. In this way, we are going to facilitate this energy harmonization. Put yourself in a comfortable position, preferably seated, with your back rested on the back of the chair or on a wall if you prefer to be seated on the floor. Allow the continuous flow of blood and energy in your body. Do not cross arms and legs. Rest the soles of your feet on the floor if you are seated. Start by releasing all the air from your lungs with a deep and energetic exhalation. Now let's breathe slowly, inhaling deeply, noticing how the air enters into your lungs, oxygenate your blood there, and then you slowly exhale completely, releasing tension and leaving you relaxed. Let's take one more breath. Inhale. Hold the air briefly. Exhale fully. We continue to breathe slowly, and in doing so, our sense of security increases, expanding our sensation of tranquility and calm. Bring your right hand now towards your heart. Place it there gently as you continue to breathe. Slowly, deeply. Visualize how, with that breath, a light channel begins to clear, a way of communication between your brain and your heart. As you visualize that connection, send calm thoughts, trust and love from your mind to your heart. Everything is fine. We are safe. We are loved. We are surrounded by peace and harmony. We are perfect health. We feel gratitude for life. We are loved. We are safe. Everything is fine. Keep breathing. Notice if there has been changes in the beat of your heart, in your bodily or muscular sensations, in your feelings and thoughts in the present moment. As you continue to breathe and experiencing feelings of calm, plan in your mind and in your heart the intention of bringing this harmony with you for the rest of your day. Think that this harmony always exists within you. Your mind and your heart are connected, and you just activate that powerful connection with your intention to do it, with your breathing and with your consciousness of that inner harmony. Visualize how your harmony between mind and heart sends light vibes with sweet sounds and pleasant feelings, and visualize how your body is the bearer of that harmony, making it expand like a subtle and warm light, covering every time more and more space around you, enveloping everything, everybody around you, covering the entire place where you are right now, and surrounding with its loving embrace the entire planet. And further, if that is your intention. That's the power of harmony from the co-creating energy of masculine and feminine, from the rational, emotional, spiritual that coexist within you, and also in every awake and conscious human being. Feel the joy of this certainty from this unit of love and high vibration energy with everything that exists. Keep breathing and focus your attention again within you. Repeat your intention to keep with you this rediscover harmony. All day, wherever you go. And with this thought, prepare for slowly open your eyes, slowly move your body and join your present moment. This exercise will be easier and faster for you as you practice it. You can repeat it daily for, let's say, 30 days until 65 days until you feel able to do it without guidance. This exercise is excellent for you to do it, for example, before making important decisions, during times of many work or family demands, or just as part of your wellness routines. I have incorporated this exercise with great success in my entrepreneurial workshops and also in individual coaching sessions that, remember, you can explore. If you would like to work with me, just send me a private message through my social media or through my website, and we will be contacting you back to explore together for 30 minutes how we can collaborate. Only you will invest this time, nothing more. I leave you for now, thanking you for joining us today. Blessings for you and your work, and we are going to meet again soon in an upcoming episode of JeanetteTV. Bye.